The year is 1901. Listen to the roar of the sea and the crack of thunder. Off the coast of the Greek island Antikythera, a storm forces a team of sponge divers to take shelter. They wait, and when the waters calm, they dive into the deep, churning blue. They discover a ghost ship, its ancient timbers holding a treasure of bronze statues, frozen in silent poses for millennia. But among the priceless art, they find something else. A strange, misshapen lump of green corroded rock that doesn't belong. It sat on the museum floor for months, dismissed as a calcified stone, but one day it cracked open. Inside, where no one expected anything but solid rock, were gears. Not crude, simple cogs, but precision bronze gears, with teeth cut as fine as a modern Swiss watch. Scientific dating placed them around 150 BCO, over 1,000 years before such complex technology should have existed. It was an impossible object, a machine from a future that had already passed. Imagine seeing through time. X-ray scans slowly peel back the layers of corrosion, revealing a clockwork of at least 37 interlocking gear trains hidden within the stone. A digital reconstruction brings it back to life, a beautiful, intricate device housed in a wooden case, no bigger than a shoebox. As an unseen hand turns a crank, the dials spin, golden pointers glide across celestial charts, tracking the slow, silent waltz of the moon, the sun, and the 5 known planets of the ancient world. But this was no mere astronomical clock. It was a prediction machine. It could calculate the exact date and time of future solar and lunar eclipses, decades in advance, even accounting for the subtle wobble in the moon's orbit. It had a dial that tracked the 4-year cycle of the ancient Olympic Games, reminding its owner when the world's greatest athletic festival was set to begin. It was a mechanical oracle, designed to forecast the rhythms of both the heavens and human civilization. For decades, the world of history refused to believe it. Scholars and experts dismissed it as a modern fake, an elaborate hoax, or a simple mistake. It was too advanced, too precise, too perfect. The idea that ancient Greeks possessed this level of mechanical engineering was unthinkable, but the evidence was undeniable. The mechanism proves that the ancient world held a high technology that was utterly lost, swallowed by a dark age of engineering where humanity forgot how to build the future it had already created. How many other marvels lie sleeping in the dark? What other impossible inventions rest at the bottom of the sea, waiting to rewrite the story of human genius? We may never know. The Antikythera Mechanism is a ghost from a lost future, a silent testament to the knowledge that can vanish, leaving us to wonder what else we have forgotten.